Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a board in Monday.com for seamless collaborative board sharing with guests. Whether you're bringing in new team members, collaborating with partners outside your organization, or even working with freelancers, sharing your board effectively can enhance productivity, reduce miscommunication, and streamline your workflow. This is particularly helpful for Shopify store owners who may need to coordinate product launches, marketing campaigns, or inventory updates with multiple collaborators. So let's get started. First, head over to Monday.com. It's the central hub for organizing your tasks and projects, and it's where all the magic happens. When you log in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. This is where you manage all your boards and tasks, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with it if you're new to Monday.com. Think of it as your command center, where all project activity can be tracked in one place. From here, navigate to the specific board you want to share. Each board is a container of tasks, projects, or processes that need collaborative work. For example, if you're running a Shopify store, one board might track new product launches, another could manage social media content, and another might track customer support tickets. Once you're on the board you wish to share, look over to the top right corner. You'll find an invite button there. This small but mighty button is your gateway to adding more people to your board. Clicking on it will open a window that provides various options for inviting new collaborators. To proceed, you'll need to input the email addresses of the people you want to invite. Make sure these are the correct emails to avoid any miscommunication or delays. Alternatively, if you'd rather not type each email manually, you can choose the option Invite New Member by Email. This is especially handy when you're adding multiple people at once or if you have their emails saved elsewhere, like in a spreadsheet of freelancers or team members. Upon entering the emails, double-check to ensure that there are no typos, as this could prevent your intended collaborators from receiving their invitation. Accuracy here is crucial, since even a small mistake could delay project progress. Once you're satisfied with your list, hit the Send button to invite them. Your invitees will receive an email prompting them to join, and once they accept, their names will appear under the board subscribers list, making it easy to see who is actively collaborating on your project. It's also important to note that while inviting guests provides them access to the board, it is critical to decide what level of access or permissions you want to grant them. Different levels can allow your guests to view, edit, or even manage the content on the board. For instance, you might want your marketing assistant to edit tasks, but a freelance designer may only need view access. Choose wisely based on your collaborative needs and the trust levels you have with these guests to ensure both security and efficiency. Sharing a board in Monday.com is a simple yet powerful way to enhance teamwork and ensure everyone is on the same page, literally and figuratively. With just a few clicks, you can open up your board to new ideas, inputs, and updates, helping your projects move forward smoothly and efficiently. For Shopify store owners, this can mean faster product launches, fewer missed deadlines, and better communication between team members. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to share a board with guests on Monday.com. By fostering collaboration, you make it possible for everyone involved in a project to contribute effectively. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at managing access and ensuring your team stays connected, organized, and productive. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating!